Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To reactivate our account on Instagram, we only need to log in with our email and password. From our computer or laptop, we enter instagram.com. Type in your email and password, then click login. That's it. We've reactivated it. I want to take this opportunity to say that this is only possible when you have done a temporary deactivation. This is done by clicking on Edit Profile. Then, we click on the bottom, Temporarily Disable My Account. Here we click to choose the reason why we want to deactivate it. Then we write down our password. This is for security. And finally, we click on this light blue button. If we do this, here we can reactivate it. Just entering with our email and password, as we did at the beginning. There is another option, which does not allow to reactivate. Notice that the link says, temporary. If we change this link and write, permanent, we will be able to access the option to delete our account forever. We also choose the reason why we want to do this. Then we type in our password. And finally, we click on the red button. If we do this, it is impossible to reactivate the account. To reactivate from the cell phone, we do the same. Just log into our Instagram account and it will be reactivated. Remember, this is only possible if we have temporarily deactivated our account. I'll take this opportunity to show you how to do this here. You must be using your cell phone's browser at Instagram.com. These options are not available in the application. Click on Edit Profile. It's exactly the same process. Click on Temporarily Disable My Account. Then, we follow the same steps we saw before. We choose the reason why. We write down the password. And we click on the light blue button to enter the option to delete the account permanently. In the browser, we write the link, instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent. Click on Go. Here, we choose the reason why we want to do this. Write down the password. And finish by clicking on the red button. Don't forget, with this last option, you will no longer be able to reactivate your account. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.